Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer, and in this video I will show you what you can do with CouponBet regarding to visas. So sometimes you might have a customer says, well, I would like to go to Austria, and Austria is in Europe, meaning we have here a Schengen visa, and they will ask you what are the requirements regarding to the Austrian visa. So how can you find it quickly and you want to send them the information? How do you do this? CouponBet helps you to organize your travel agency in a very quick and fast way. So let me show you. Once you're registered and you're logged in here, you can go just here and click here on visas, and in visas you can find all the information regarding to visas for travel agencies, and it is absolutely a very powerful and useful tool. So let me show you here right now, just loading a bit, and let's search for Austria. So we type in here Austria. You can see right now currently, yes, tourist visa is required. You can see here what kind of other visas. There's no cruise visa information since Austria has no cruises. And same here, transit visa information, nothing here. So right now we know tourist visa is required for Philippine passport holders. So let's click here to get the information. So once we click here, you can see here we have the entire list for the Schengen visa requirements. And in here, we have all the information that you need to supply your customer. You can see here there's a huge amount of information here, and all these kind of things, the average time, everything is in here, and it is really designed to help you and your travel agency to serve your customers better. And this is really useful for your travel agency. And you might say, well, this is nice. How can I save this or send this to my customer? Well, no problem. Just click on this. And you can see here, now you get the entire list. And what's really nice is your details are here. And maybe you say, well, I don't like this color. Well, guess what? This color is 100% adjustable to your color. So let me show you also that. That's really nice. And this is one of the nicest things I like here. So we have this here. Well, let's go here. I'm going to open this in a new page. We go to my settings and my accounts. And once we did this, we are on this page. And then in here, yes, you can see your company details tab. There's edit logo and design. So we can edit our logo. If you have a logo here, put it in here. And then you will get your nice logo in this printing things in here. Let me show you. You will get your logo here on top, which makes it completely your style. And maybe you say, well, this is really nice. Well, but I am not orange. No, I am, I like blue. Let's say you're like this kind of blue. Beautiful marine sky blue. So let's update this. All right. You can see now it has been updated. We just have to refresh the page. And once we refresh, instantly everything becomes nice and blue. And let's refresh our page here. And there you are. So now everything becomes blue. And if you print out this, it is also fully in blue. So you can create your own color, which makes it really nice, and you build your own travel agency with your own design. CouponBet is really designed to help you build your own system, and it will look like your own system. Everything is branded under your company name, as you can see here, your address, everything is really built in a way to help you. So we don't want to put our brand here. So everything you see here, your customer will see, and it's only your travel agency. So if you like these kind of tips and tricks, just go to couponbet.com. And in couponbet.com, you can start to register. You can see here, you can use the free basic account. Right now, we have this special offer, and you click, not on sign in, sorry. You have to click on register. And once you register, sign up. Once you click on this, you can see here, fill up your travel agency name. You can put in here your username, your email, and your passwords, and then click register. And what you have to remember is fill up your email address, and you get an email in your inbox to confirm your account. Once you did that, you're ready to go, and you're ready to log in instantly. You get the email instantly in your inbox, and just click on that button and you're done. So if you like this, just register right away on CouponBet.